It's going to be interesting getting out of this. Bit of challenging reversing. Just don't want to clip the letterbox. Always falling down. So I've now stopped in Huntley for lunch and a break. And this is my view. It's a lovely day, so sunny. And that's the main road. All the traffic goes from north to south on this. No, just to get out of your way, I guess. How far am I? If I keep reversing, how far do I have?
You've still got at least a metre and a half.
Oh yeah, I'll go a tiny bit more. So I've just stopped at AA Solar, just because I'm not sure about my batteries. I want someone who knows what they're doing to check it out. Just kind of, I spent $1,000 on these batteries and it just doesn't feel worth it, to be honest. Oh well.
But otherwise, yeah.
So it looks okay.
Apart from that, everything should be okay.
I don't know, I just feel like they're not as powerful as I expected.
What did you have in there before?
Like 95 or something.
Oh, right. Yeah.
So-
Well, that's gonna give you so much more.
But it doesn't feel like it does.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Does the percentage tend to drop off
Yeah.
similar?
No, yeah.
Because 339. Did anyone reprogram that after you put the
No,
battery?
we haven't touched that. So I don't know how to reprogram it.
No, not many people do. Mainly only technicians, I think. So if we go 12 volts, then 23.
Oh yeah?
So
I see.
the meter thinks it's still working with 95 amp hour.
Okay.
So what I'll do here is obviously change that to 390. Okay, so that's gonna make so much more different.
Yay!
390. So we'll enter that in. So now we just fix it up to 390. It's gonna be like, oh, okay. So you'll see a big difference now.
I'm so excited. I'm so glad I dropped in.
So this little negative here must come off the battery, and it will just have to go on this side of the shunt. Now the reason being is because it needs to go on this side, so then it goes through the shunt, through this big cable, then to the battery, then it will display on your Votronic meter.
Yeah.
At the moment,
Awesome.
it's gonna go straight to the battery, which means it's bypassing the shunt, so then you're not gonna get this reading.
Yeah.
Which basically means the battery monitor will read incorrect.
Yep. Yeah, it's just nice to have a comfy sofa, a warm fire, and some family time. So the plan is just to stay in Auckland for a couple of months, freelance a little bit more because my contract job did get a little quiet, and then I'm house sitting for a few weeks in July, and then I'll head off again. So I have been worried about this coupling since it changed. It made that ping before. So I contacted the Graheme who fixes caravans in this area, and he just popped in, had a look at this, and feels confident that it connects strongly. So good, peace of mind. One fuse out. So heavy. So now I'm going to cut this plastic a bit more until this black one can actually reach the wall. So I'm just adding, it's quite a lot already on this one. I'm just adding this new. So now that's still on the red, but I've taken off the black and it's now connected to the shunt. It's quite tight. I wonder, I might loosen it a little bit more. By the way, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just guessing. Completely guessing. But I'm feeling more relaxed with the setup now. I'm starting to learn a little bit more about how it works. Okay, and put the fuse back. Hopefully I've done that right. And I want to thank my Patreons, Alan, Pauline, Dennis, Luther, David, Matthew, and Laurie, and all my other patrons. Thank you guys.